Thank you so much for tuning in. Mr. Mitsubishi here. In today's video, we'll check out this. It's a 2025 Outlander ES base. It all starts with this, and we'll do exterior, interior, closer look. And this one here is the facelifted version of the Outlander. So 2025 is when it facelifts here, and it looks super pretty, good looking vehicle. We're gonna have a closer look at all kinds of things, and it's a very, very impressive vehicle, and the option list is huge what you get in standard. Just to give you a very quick rundown, you have super all-wheel control, and all this is standard with the ES trim level. You have digital driver display, you have push to start buttons, 7 seats, super all-wheel control, LEDs. These are 18-inch wheels, blind spot information system, forward collision and mitigation system, rear auto braking, lane departure warning, also wireless auto and wireless CarPlay. These are huge options that they added in 2025. Yamaha sound system, 12.3-inch smartphone link display, rear parking sensors, Capless fuel filler. I'll show you that in a second here. Super impressive. So let's start with visually first. So we do have a little bit new front grille here in terms of design. This part here right now is piano gloss with a thicker line. So this piano gloss makes it look like a high-end vehicle, stands out a lot, and makes it basically feel that you know, it's upper trim level, the higher trim level, not the base ES. This lower part here is the black plastic. That's how you can tell that it's entry level, and also has no roof rails. So we can also talk about a few options that it's missing, so to speak, that might be important for some people. Roof rails, you don't have them, and then the you know, the visual garnish is just a visual thing. So tinted windows already from the factory. I really like the new design for the wheels. It goes really well together with this chrome line and these 18-inch wheels. Let's check the design a little bit closer. So these particular are Toyota tires, could be different tires as well, but the wheels, I like the design of the wheels. So they've done a good job on designing those wheels. So of course it has keyless entry, but it doesn't have this button push with the where you can lock and unlock the vehicle. If you had this option before, or you're really enjoying it, that you might miss the option. Just keep that in mind. You have to upgrade it. Also, there's no sunroof on ES, and the tailgate is manual open, manual lock. So I just locked the vehicle. Let's unlock it. Okay, there we go. So unlock it. Now we'll be able to unlock the tailgate. Okay, there you go. So you don't have any buttons. The kick motion starts with the SC trim level, but this one here has a 7 seats. So you can see the seats are folded up right now, and you have a 50-50 split. You can fold them down, just one side, both sides. You have a lot of choice what else you want to do. And these seats, they're adjustable as well individually. See how you can recline them, make it steeper, more recline. This is one thing that I really like about the Outlander, the versatility of what you can do, how you can adjust these seats individually, and also the second row we'll talk about in a bit here as well. If you want to fold the seats down, you can easily grab these handles and fold them down as well. Okay, no power tailgate, just keep that in mind. Good old hand grab, and that's how you can sort things out here. So this is the capless fuel filler. So you just stick the nozzle in, there's no cap, super easy, super convenient. People love this feature, and it's you know, once you have it, again, it's just so convenient, so easy to use that, you know, you don't want to go back ever with the caps and everything else. So awesome feature, glad that it's a standard feature. So super all-wheel control decal right here. So every Outlander has this super all-wheel control. Keep in mind, you don't need to pay extra, you don't need to upgrade to anything. Every Outlander has the super all-wheel control. When it comes to engine and transmission, only one choice: 2.4 liter engine, 181 horsepower with CVT transmission. That's what you get. Has Yamaha sound system as well, so that's a big one. Sounds really good even on the entry level. So you have 8 speakers throughout the vehicle, and this is how the seats look. Now, seats are manually adjustable. You don't have power seats, anything like that. And again, you don't have the power sunroof or the panoramic sunroof. But you know what? There's a lot of people who just don't care too much about that stuff. They just want good, reliable car, all-wheel control, good price point, excellent warranty, And this is what this Outlander is offering, and together with the new design. So we saw how exterior was new design. There are a few things that are now on the the Outlander as well. So we do have this nice big display right now. It's same size for all Outlanders. Used to be that ES on the base entry levels had smaller screen sizes, and then the higher trim levels had larger. Now all of them have the same size. It of course differentiates on what it's going to show. So there's no navigation here. If you put it in reverse, you have just the backup screen. You don't have anything for the 360 screen, but the size is there, the screen is there, and that's how we're looking. So this one here, I really like this the digital screen right here and analog dials here. So I'm always big fan of screens and buttons being together, and same thing on the digital, like on the kind of central console here. We have some screens, we have some buttons. I really like it. And the central console, I don't mind that it's not all digital. I like how we have analog dials. You know, you can see the RPMs, you can see the speed, and then of course you have a good crisp screen right there for your settings and everything else that you might need. So heated seats you already have as a standard feature, so that's an important part for the winter time. Right now in the summertime, not so important, but come winter you will appreciate this option. This part here is just a little bit redesigned, and you can see that this selector here for the drivetrain, again, that is a standard feature. So you can, you know, it always defaults to normal, but you can go to eco, to normal, tarmac. You can choose whatever you want to do with your drive. So USB-C plugs right here, and nice big, larger than before, this area for your storage. So seats, that's how they're looking. Console, still love it. Really nice steering wheel and everything else. So let's check out the second row a little bit. And again, we can see how we have this blind spot information system there already is standard. So all the standard safety features that it comes with is truly impressive. So the second row, same type of cloth material that we had on the front, we have on the second row here. And then on here, what is impressive, like I said before, when we check the trunk, was how versatile and how much you can adjust to your driving and your needs. So these back parts can be reclined separately, 60-40 split, and you know, you can go all the way like this, all the way this, or anything in between. You don't have just one or the other, so you can really find your perfect seating position. And same thing for the reclines. So you have this option to shift forwards, backwards, the 60-40 split. So I have the 60, that's the 40, and that's how it just goes and gives you a lot more options for your third row. If you have passengers there, you can shift them a little bit forward, or not if you don't have anybody sitting in there. So pretty cool. I really like this Outlander for what it is. And if you think about it, all these things you get as a standard equipment. It's truly impressive. And the color options as well. So this is nice, beautiful red diamond. It looks really good. And I don't know how about, like, you know, what do you think? But when I look at this vehicle, it doesn't scream bass. There's a lot of manufacturers who have these bass vehicles, and the cars really look bass, and then they make it pretty much just so you upgrade to the higher trim level. But this one, I find personally, is not the case. Unless you care about these little things, little options, this is an excellent choice. You have super auto control, 7 seats, all the interior features, all the safety features are standard, and it's pretty impressive. So there we go. We just checked out this beautiful 2025 Mitsubishi Outlander, the new facelifted body, and reviewed all the things that it comes with. And also on the rear, I just wanted to show you the headlights here, our new design compared to the old one as well. And overall, I gotta say, they made it nicer, prettier than the previous year. So really good looking vehicle. Again, thank you so much for checking it out. I hope you liked it as much as I do, and make sure to browse the channel for all kinds of Mitsubishi content. If you want to find out a little bit more information about Outlander PHEV or anything else in between. So thank you so much. See you next time around.